Here's a completed 7400 tester program. Right there's the 7400 IC, transistor logic, or TTL. That consists of 4 NAND gates, not AND gates. And there are 2 inputs to each gate and 1 output. And the output will be on as long as we have a condition that one or the other are on or both are off, because if they're both on, which is the AND condition, then the output will be off because it's a NAND gate. There is a corresponding AND gate which would work just the opposite. And over here on the LEDs, you can see as it goes through the gates one at a time. I've got it going with about a 1.5 second pause between each transition of the input gates. You can see we're on gate 3 now. And when we go to gate 4, you'll see the output is on, both off input, one on input, the other one on, both on, and the output goes off again. Then we go back to pin 1. So you can watch each gate get tested. They're all good. And whenever both outputs are on, which is the AND condition, then it's out. Otherwise, it's always on the output. And in this little test program, or sketch, the Arduino guys call it, all the Arduino is doing on its digital lines is acting as a switch, an on-off switch. So there you have the 8 lines going to the IC, 2 for each input. Alright, then we'll, pardon the shaking, had to sit down here. We'll go over to the sketch and we'll show you that there's a constant in here called delay time, 1.5 seconds. We're going to reduce that to, let's see, let's make it 0.2 seconds, 0.2 of a second. Then we'll do the download of the sketch. They call it the upload. You can see we're uploading it now. Now the program's been altered and it's in the Arduino, and let's take a look at what's happening over here. We're moving a lot faster. Notice the transitions take place every 0.2 of a second. So that's good. We'll do it once more and we'll change it to, let's see, let's make it about 0.1. That's pretty quick. Okay, here we go. We'll download it. See on the Arduino, as we download, it starts clicking the download buttons. And there we go. It's downloaded already. It's pretty quick. So it's zipping right along now. Flipping those input gates pretty fast. 7400 is designed to go a lot faster, but this will give you an idea. So to recap, the Arduino is an on-off switch, so it's a lot faster and easier to play around with than manual switches. And it flips the input to the 4 gates on the 7400 IC right down in there. And as those gates flip, depending on which ones are on, of the 2 inputs for each gate, the output will either be on or off, as you can see in the dynamic example. So that's the tester sketch and hardware and jumper setup for a 7400 integrated circuit. Alright, playing around with that for a while.